Welcome back to Take Two and Happy New Year. I'm Erica Goldberg, Growth Marketing Manager at AuraPlayer. Today we're going to flip the script. Instead of watching Mia interview Oracle Aces, we're going to sit down and talk about what 2025 taught us about the Oracle ecosystem, and a specific emphasis on AI, as well as what Oracle professionals need to be thinking about as we move into 2026. So Mia,
That's a tall order for a 10-minute webinar, but I will definitely try my best. 2025 ended with a bang. We saw so many customers try to squeeze through with leftover budgets to try to get in AI projects, mobile projects. We're really excited about the innovations we're seeing because I think that people are finally understanding the whole concept of being able to do, small, quick wins with the new technologies and not these humongous big bang, migration revolutions in order to achieve a lot of the benefits of these next generation technologies, like you mentioned.
in your travels around to different conferences, you've met with and worked also with countless Oracle professionals. You have many contacts in the community and interviewed several of them on Take Twos. And particularly in 2025, within your discussions or in the buzz in the community, what are the AI or automation tools that actually delivered on its promise and changed how people work?
We saw some incredible use cases towards the end of 2025, like a lot of people using AI for document management, data entry, to be able to parse invoices, purchase orders for validation and data entry. People using AI for chats to be able to communicate directly with back-end systems, to be able to ask their questions and get responses in an easy, natural language fashion. We see Oracle has kind of completely revolutionized their entire tool stack, okay, from the database way on up. So whether it's the machine learning capabilities, the vector search, Ask EBS, to be able to ask questions directly from the EBS application, which builds an SQL automatically in the background, utilizing AI to bring people data from their EBS systems. Oracle has an incredible amount of tools now that are AI enabled, from the Fusion application, cloud solutions, which is kind of only focused on business users, whether it's typing out drafts of emails based on AI, or whether it's interacting with HR, HCM using voice and text in the application. There's AI and automation in even the management tools, right, for things like performance, tips and tuning, patching, monitoring, etc. So Oracle literally from end to end went through and revamped all of their solutions. It's definitely catering to everyone, from the business user to the digital analysts.
Right. It's certainly exciting what's happening in the field. So Mia, we've also seen a lot, some great changes and growth at AuraPlayer as well. Some of the innovations within our tools, as well as within our teams and the company, and great things are happening here. And I'd like to touch on that as well. Like, what are some of the highlights?
It's definitely been an incredible year here at AuraPlayer. From a product, I'll call it from a product perspective, we've had incredible innovations just in getting the word out there, right? We've started our Take Two podcasts. I said we're going to do it weekly, and everybody said that I've fallen on my head and they hope I'm okay because a weekly podcast is crazy. And I said it doesn't have to be long, but it has to be that we just make sure that people know what's going on in the Oracle world, what's going on in the IT world, what's going on in the AuraPlayer world. We started a newsletter, which is incredible. You guys have been all over that, literally showcasing customer successes, events that we're working on, and life at AuraPlayer. We had our yearly kickoff, which was incredible. Everybody kind of got together, either hiking or spa day, whichever, wherever you fit in the spectrum. And we talked about all the things we're looking to do next year, from a technology perspective, with our key focus on, warehouse, digitizing warehouses, what we're doing with incredible customers in the field right now, digitizing and automating, document management of invoices and purchase orders, reconciliations, and everything to help the financial team journal lines, increase their productivity, which is a huge problem today. Working in the eye expense area, where people are now back to work after COVID, back to travel, and realizing, like, how on earth did I ever manage all these invoices, expenses, and bills? And finally, automated testing. Tons of people are moving to OCI, Oracle Cloud, other cloud servers, and they want to be able to do testing for their e-business suite applications to make sure, the sanity, the stability, the performance. So those are kind of the 4 areas we see as major focuses for AuraPlayer in the new year. And of course, integrating with Oracle technologies, as we always have, right? We have customers doing hybrid systems between Forms and Apex. We have people doing systems with Oracle Integration Cloud and Fusion automation with AuraPlayer automation, working together with us and with our partners. So yeah, we're really looking forward to what 2026 has to bring.
Yeah, sounds very exciting. And I'm looking forward, we're all looking forward to these types of conversations going forward in 2026 with you and with other Oracle aces and people from the community.
Thank you so much for having me, and kickstarting the new year. Like and subscribe below.
Subscribe.
And if you want to join our newsletter, feel free to put it in the comments or let us know. info@auraplayer.com.
Great.
Bye now.
Bye.